Welcome everyone, and today I have an RME Digiface unit here, and I'd like to look inside and see what's can be changed, because I suppose there are switches inside that allows to change the level input levels, and I'd like to see what's going on inside and what can be done to clean unit and make it work better in time. I will make a little more zoom on it and will work in a smaller space. All you need to dismantle this unit, a smaller unit, to unscrew every bolt here. First I'm using a handle just to untie and loosen it, and then I will use a smaller instrument just to remove everything else. Probably a faceplate is also need to be removed as well, as I remember from multi-phase unit. The problem to assemble everything else back is those pinholes, LED diodes, and to align them each properly you need to be this one is hard to dismantle, just losing. The faceplate can be removed like that. Now we may well, it's not for sure. All we need is to remove each of these. And here we have a multi-phase Digiface RME unit. You can see this upper board, which is going to ADAT input and work clock, and as well a DAT sync with DIN 15, I believe, or DIN 9. Yes, DIN 9 connector. And the unit here is old but still working and capable of connecting 24 audio streams. And we didn't find here the switches to change the settings on level inputs. Therefore this unit will be right now assembled back just like that. We disassembled and assembled an RME Hammerfall TSP Digiface. Everything inside is clean, looks okay, and thanks for attention. Have a good day, everyone.